Frustrated by the MySQL Database Library DLL error causing MySQL Oracle to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we begin our MySQL Database Library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the MySQL Database Library, the standard C client library for connecting Windows applications to a MySQL or MariaDB database server. It manages the SQL protocol handshake and result set parsing. If missing, database-driven desktop tools and game servers will fail to connect, reporting access denied or driver not found. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing WLID CLI library DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with MySQL database library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install WLID CLI library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to MySQL database library. If MySQL database library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.